In today's videos, I'll be showing you the free caption tools or app that I use to add caption to my videos for free. If you have been editing your videos on CapCut or InShot, other VN editor, you have observed that the caption feature has been upgraded to Pro. That means if you don't have money, you can use your caption feature. And it is not really easy as a small creator to subscribe to CapCut Pro or InShot Pro just to use their caption feature. But however, I'll be showing you the free tool that I use to do that. The tools are just being released recently by the Meta company for both Instagram and Facebook users to use it to edit their video. And the editing app has a caption feature which mostly I use. It has a lot of features. You will get to know about the rest in the tutorial. It's totally free. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do what to support by smashing the like button and subscribe so you never miss any future content from me. Like that. Now go to the Google Play Store and search for this app, Meta Edit, and search for the app. Make sure the one you are seeing on the screen, Edits, an Instagram app, right? Once you open the app, these are some of my projects I have edited on the video. I have added caption on using the app, right? For you to upload a video, tap the plus icon. You can choose whether you want to record a video with the app or to upload manually from your gallery. Then I'll choose gallery. Then from here, I'll upload a video that I want to add caption on. Once the video is in, this is the caption icon here, right? You can tap it and wait for a second. Depending on your network, it's going to be faster or slower, right? Okay, let's give it a second. Wow, the caption is being generated now. For you to make it look perfect, then go to edit. Then from here, you can choose any font. You see, there are a lot of fonts you can choose, right? Let me choose this first. Then from there, you can type here again. You see, recent, simple, bold, retro, playful, handwriting, a lot. Okay, you can also come to the color setting to adjust. Alright, you can also type here the way in which you want to address the caption on the screen, right? Whether on the left, right, or in the center. Alright, this is the play. You can also come here to choose a glowing star. Alright, glow, neo, digital, depends on your preference. You can also tap here to add a background. Alright, okay, let me come here and choose this other star. I love this. Then once you're done, you can go back. There are a lot of features, right? You can also split. This is a split icon. You can split. You delete any part of the caption that you don't like. But let's go back. Now from here, this is the audio icon. You can add any audio. All these audio you are seeing are free. Once you tap on trending, you are going to see the trending audio on Instagram, right? And once you tap here, you're going to see all the original audio, right? You can also type here to input audio, all right, from your device. Okay, royalty free. You can also type here, these are royalty free, a lot, right? You can also type here to search for the particular audio that you are looking for. Okay, now you can also type here to do voiceover. All right, you can also type here to add text manually or caption. Okay, so you can also type here to add overlay to your video. All right, you can also cut out. This is the cut out. This is the sound effect. There are a lot of sound effect: transition, action, comedy, reaction. All right, the app is very amazing. You can also type here to add stickers. There are a lot of stickers in the app. Okay, let's go back. All right, let's go back. Once you tap the video, you'll be given available menu for the volume to decrease or to play up, right? You can tap apply and click check mark. All right, speed, you can increase the speed of your voice or make it slower. Okay, you can also tap here to tap if there's any silence in your videos to cut the place. This is the place, right? You can also tap to delete. You can also tap here to adjust, right? You can also tap here if you are using a green screen. Okay, effect. There are a lot of effects you can use. All right. You can also tap here to enhance voice, reduce noise, enhance voice. Okay. You can also tap here to extract audio, to crop, all right, mirror, replace any object in your video, split, duplicate. All right, I think so far, okay, this is the keyframe feature right here. The redo and undo button is up here. Now you can tap here to rename your project. Also, you can tap here to adjust the export resolution, HD, 4K, to choose what you. All right, once you done, tap export and export your video, and you are good to go. Wait for a second so we can export our video. Just a second, right? Yeah, depending on your network condition, it's going to be faster. Okay, right, you can choose whether once the video is exported, you can choose whether to share it on Instagram, Facebook, Messenger. All right, then once it's exported, click download to download it to your gallery. All right, then from there now you can go to your gallery and it will be available. This is the video. Yes, it. All right, the caption is added free. All right, try it and let me know in the comment. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.